How to fix speaker audio not working on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your speakers back up and running properly on your PC. First, right-click on the sound icon at the bottom right of your taskbar. From there, click on Troubleshoot Sound Problems. At this point, select your speakers from the list and let the troubleshooter run. From there, follow any fixes it suggests and check if the audio is working after. After that, if the sound is still not coming through, right-click on the sound icon again and click on Sound Settings. In the next step, under the Output section, make sure the correct speaker is selected as your default output device. From there, check that the volume slider is not turned all the way down or muted. Once done, play some audio and check if sound is coming through now. Following this, if it is still silent, click on your speaker device to open its properties. From there, scroll down and click on Additional Device Properties. From here, play audio again and check if the speakers are working. After this, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Right-click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. From there, click on Search Automatically for Drivers and let Windows install the latest audio driver. Once completed, restart your PC and check if the speaker audio has been restored. Finally, if the speakers are still not working, click on the Start button, go to Settings, click on Windows Update, and check for any pending updates. An audio fix may be included in the latest release. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix speaker audio not working on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.